It gives me great pleasure to stand before you on the 14th edition of Bangalore IT.biz. Started as IT.com, transformed itself to IT.in, and today, of course, with a different format, it's in front of you as IT.biz. Everything has to innovate and evolve with time, and this event also has innovated and evolved over time. Now, the Ministry of Labor, Union Ministry of Labor and Employment, in August 2011 put out a report on employment generated by the IT industry. Since 2008, October 2008, when the recession hit the world. And they said that, this is the report from the Ministry of Labor and Employment, they said that 15 lakh direct and indirect jobs have been created by the IT industry since 2008. And this is 5 times more than the jobs created by mining, textile, leather, gems, jewelry, auto, transport, handloom, etc. It clearly shows the ability to create jobs by the industry. In fact, this is actually one of the major differences between the IT industry here and IT industry globally. The well-known names in the IT industry across the world are companies like Apple, Google, Facebook, Amazon, etc. In fact, this century is, a new report says this century is a century of these companies, or at the current period is the period of these companies. But if you look at the Indian IT industry, companies like TCS, Wipro, Infosys, each one have created large number of jobs. And that's a key difference actually between the industry in India, which is creating a huge number of jobs, whereas the industry elsewhere is creating products and services but is not creating that many number of jobs. I emphasize this because you all know that in the last 60-65 years the IT industry and the technology has had a significant impact on our lives. But sometimes we forget that it also had a significant impact in a country, a developing country like India, and how many good jobs that have been created here in India. The second point, of course, again, is well known, but I want to take it further. The second point is the role of IT, information technology, in improving the lives of common citizens through e-governance, through providing better citizen services, through simplifying the process of using several services by the citizens, whether it is from the government or from public utilities and things like that. And in India, there is again a unique model. The penetration of information technology is increasingly through the use of mobile phones. Mobile phones, with a penetration of about 600 to 700 million, is empowering each and every one of us, is empowering people around the country at every level, be it a farmer or a fisherman or a auto driver. Every single one of them is today empowered by the use of mobile technology, mobile phone, etc. And for them, the access to the facilities provided by information technology, innovations provided by the information technology, is by the use of mobile phones. And so that's the second point I would like to make when we look at the industry in India. An industry in India will develop uniquely because of the unique environment and circumstances in which we are living. The process of development that is happening in a country like India. The third point I want to make is about the role of India and role of Bangalore. With probably the second largest number of professionals in the world. India has today about 2.3 million or 23 lakh IT professionals. It's the second largest collection of IT professionals anywhere in the world. And Bangalore has about 40% of those in the city. Definitely we have had a significant impact on how the industry has developed, how it innovates, how the use of IT is increasing, and it is increasingly impacting every single one of us. For a change in this knowledge era, in this knowledge economy, unlike in the industrial economy, in the industrial era, India is right in the center of the development of IT in the world. So let me now make the last 2 points. When you look at how the 2 billion people living in the developed economies are living, and then look at the 5 billion people who are in the developing economy, India, China, Africa, other countries, the per capita income is very different. The stage of development is very different. In fact, you even start questioning, if we all start consuming as the citizens in the developed countries, can the world afford? Will the impact on the environment be sustainable? Will we destroy this world? It clearly, to me, says that we need to look at a new way for consumption, a new model for development, and a new way for us to leverage technology to improve the lives of the citizens. It's a great opportunity to come out with new products, new solutions, new services, new model for development, which India and Karnataka, Bangalore can actually think about, innovate, and come out with, to do research and development and come out with. And there's a huge market, not just in India, but around the world, the 5 billion people I talked about. This is a must and this is a necessity, and that's a great opportunity. In fact, I cannot but, I want to take this opportunity to, His Excellency Dr. Abdul Kalam is here. He's all for innovation. Our Honorable Chief Minister is there. Minister for Industries is here. We should set up in Bangalore a research center which looks at the development model for countries like India, China, for the rest of the world, for the 5 billion population. And then our contribution to the world will be significant. And we can leverage what we have here today, the base that we have today, and have a significantly higher impact and come out with new products that are relevant in the future of the world. I wish each one of you a wonderful IT.biz. We have tried very hard to put together a set of program, events that we feel would highly benefit each one of you. It has been a highly collaborative event. As Mr. Vidyasankar said, probably we have the widest participation across industry, academia and government. Every session has somebody from government, every session has industry participation, different industry bodies are participating, several academic people are participating. So we've tried to put together one of the best programs possible, and we hope that you will benefit from this, you will enjoy and learn from this. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity.